Hey, what's going on, guys? Let's do this problem right here. Here this question is asking to find out the volume when we rotate this region about y-axis. To find that one out, what we can do is we can draw the graph first. And if you draw the graph, the first expression is going to be a circle, because if you notice, this is the equation of a circle. So this is going to be a circle. So let's draw the circle first. So here we have a circle, and also in the question they have mentioned this is bounded by y is equal to half. Now we have to know the radius, right? And if you, from this one we know the radius already. This is 1. So radius is going to be 1 everywhere, and the y is equal to half line is going to be somewhere in the middle right here. So let's say this is half, and the line is going to be like this, right? And the region we are interested in is this region. Now also they have mentioned in the question this is rotated about y-axis. Now here we can use dish-and-washer method to solve this problem. In dish-and-washer method, to find the volume we use this equation, that is p is equal to phi integration a to b r square, and since we are rotating about y-axis we have to use dy, right? Now the main thing here is to find out the radius right here. To find out the radius, what we do is we take a slice that is parallel to rotating axis. Here we are rotating this one about y-axis, and if you draw a slice parallel to y-axis, the distance from the origin to this slice is going to be x. So this distance is x, right? So this is going to be v is equal to phi, and we know that this is starting from half to 1, so that's going to be the limits of integration. So let's put this on clearly. So this is starting from half and going to 1, so that's going to be the limits of integration, half to 1, and then this is x square dy. But we can't integrate this one if this is x form. We have to find this one in terms of y form, right? And in this equation we already have x square. If you rearrange this one, you will get x square is equal to 1 minus y square. So we can replace this x square with this one. Now let's go ahead and replace this one. So v is equal to phi integration half 1, instead of x square I plug 1 minus y square dy, right? Now integrating this one is easy. This is going to be just y minus y cube divided by 3, going from 1 to half to 1. Now if you plug 1 for this one, this is going to be just 1 minus 1 cube divided by 3, minus, then if you plug half for this one, this is going to be just half minus half cube divided by 3, right? Now let's go ahead and simplify. So let's continue this one right here. Here we are going to have phi times 1 minus 1 over 3. So this can be written as 3 over 3, 3 minus 1 over 3, that's going to be 2 over 3, right? 2 over 3 minus half, if you cube this one, that's going to give you 1 over 8 over 3. Now let's simplify this one furthermore. If you simplify, you will get 5 times 2 over 3 minus, this is going to be half, 1 over 8 over 3, that's going to be 1 over 24, because we can bring this 8 to the bottom, so that's going to give us 1 over 24, and then this, let's simplify this one furthermore. It's going to be 5 times 2 over 3 minus, here we can take 24 as our common denominator. If I take 24 as my common denominator, I will get 12 right here, minus 1, right? And this is going to give us 5 times 2 over 3 minus 11 over 24. Now here again we can take 24 as our common denominator. So 24 common denominator, this is going to be multiplied by 8. 8 times 2 is going to give us 16 minus 11 over 24. Finally we will end up with 5 over 24, 5. And that's going to be the volume when we rotate this region about y-axis. I hope it helps. See you next time.